Hello, my fellow game devs. In this video, I'm going to talk about ParallaxLayer and Godot. Well, ParallaxLayer make our game feel more alive and impressive by adding depth and motion instead of just boring, steady flat background. For this video, I assume you already have a working game project as you will need a character and a moving camera for the ParallaxLayer to work. If you want to know more about the ParallaxLayer, then you can read the Godot documentation or you can just watch some other videos about ParallaxLayer. Now we're just going to implement the parallax layer in Godot. So let us begin. Alright, we are back into Godot. So for now, we don't have any background layer in our game. So it's completely empty now. So to add parallax layer, you need to add a node that is parallax background. Here it is. So I am gonna name it parallax. Alright. And we need another node that is parallax layer. Here it is. And I'm gonna name it layer. And after that, we need a sprite 2D as a child of parallax layer. Alright. So in the parallax layer, we have different layers and they have different speeds. So here we have 7 layers. So we have to add these layers one by one. So I'm going to add layer 1 in sprite 2D. Here we have to adjust this. Alright. We have it set. Okay. So I am just going to copy it and paste as a child of parallax background. So in the sprite 2D of parallax layer 2, we are going to add our layer 2, which is cloud. Okay, so I'm again going to paste this parallax layer, and in the sprite 2D, I'm going to replace it with layer 3, which is a gray background basically. I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to paste again, and in the layer 4 we are going to add our layer 4, which is this grass. Okay, I'm again going to paste it. In the layer 5 we just need to replace our layer 5, which is flowers basically. Alright, and I'm going to paste again, and in the layer 6 we need to replace it with our sunflower. That's it. And again I'm going to paste. And in the layer 7, we are going to replace it with lots of sunflowers. That's it. So now we are just going to change our mirroring. And to set your mirror, you just need to go your projects and project settings and in the windows. Here we have 1152. I'm just going to copy it, paste it in the mirroring. Alright. And in the layer 2, I'm going to do the same thing, paste it here. And the layer 3 also. So I'm just going to put this value in every layer. If you want to mirror the image in y direction, then you can also do it in y direction. But for now, we're just going to do it with horizontal. Now we have to set the speed of the layer, velocity of the layer. So I'm going to put it 0.1 for the layer 1, and for layer 2, I'm just going to put it 0.3. And for layer 3, I'm just going to put it 0.3. And for layer 4, I'm just going to put it 0.4. And for layer 5, I'm just going to put it 0.5. And for layer 6, I'm just going to put it 0.6. And for layer 7, I'm just going to put it 0.7. And that's it. Let's run the game. And I think it should work. For now, yeah, it's working. So that's it. We just have to adjust the speed a little bit of the layer and then it is good to go. Yep. A little bit of adjustment and now here we go. Yep. So this is how you can add parallax layer to your 2D game. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.